When we bought the MIUI Duopods M20 during the sale period, we did not know what to expect since this was our first MIUI AirPods we got. The fit is pretty good inside the ears, and the psychological fear that it might fall off from your ears doesn't come true, so you may use it while running or working out. Also, you can play around with the different sized ear tips to get the perfect fit for you. Going over the physical features, the casing looks super chic and smart with good quality plastic at this price range and a matte feel but glossy looks. Weighing in at a total of just 42 grams makes for convenient portability. The Bluetooth 5.0 makes it very convenient to pair your MIUI Duopods Bluetooth earphones to wirelessly connect to any iOS or Android device of your choice within a few seconds and clicks. Device pairing shouldn't be an issue for first-time users. Coming to the performance, you can get more than 5 hours of music playback, and the IPX5 rating makes it resistant to dust, water splashes and sweat during workouts, but mind you, no submersion. Now for the main stuff, the audio quality. The vocals and mid-range frequency is definitely present, not too forward or back, but well balanced and not muffled. The instruments and vocals are easily identifiable. Higher frequency notes are not dull at all, with decent clarity and balance, which can be enjoyed for longer periods without much strain or ear fatigue. The only slight con some of you might feel, the bass is somewhat on the back foot. It is there, but could have been a bit more forward and boomy. The major con is the mic volume is not that audible for the other party during calls. Other than that, the locally made MIUI Duopods M20 wireless is a great buy at this price range. Now for the 3x giveaway, to participate, you just need to be subscribed to the channel, hit the like button and follow the link in the description. The 3x winners will be announced on our Insta page.